Hello everyone, today we're working outside the studio. Hello everyone, today it is nice and green in the gardens. We have a wonderful overcast day. Sometimes these days can be really magnificent and beautiful, and we get a little bit more accomplished in the gardens. Last week we talked about the stages of the trees and their growth. The trees have filled out almost completely now, and the leaves are wonderful and tender. The leaves are thin, and again, because it's a young growth, as the season goes along, the leaves will get thicker and develop into maturity. Look at the difference in the green. And also, even though it's an overcast day, you can see that there's more of a canopy, and it is a shaded area in the East Gardens right now. Of course, this is just a section of the East Gardens, and I'm going to be showing you all more as we go along. But this year, I think I will edge out the gardens because it looks like it has, the grass has creeped into the beds, so I will be doing that also. So I want to inform you all of the next 3 stages. After we raked out, or I raked out the garden beds, now it's time to weed, and that is the first thing, is weeding. Second thing will be to put some fresh soil. I usually use a topsoil. And then the third thing, a mulch on top of that. So in the coming videos, I am going to show you more of the growth and development of the gardens. And again, these videos are about the progress in the gardens week to week. And we'll also be doing some more container gardening, and I will introduce, as I can, some of the shrubs and different types of plants in the gardens. One of my favorite trees or shrub in the garden is my white lilacs, which I look forward to every year, and I will be discussing more about lilacs with you in future videos, and some more of the other shrubs and plants we have in the gardens. Thanks for joining us today, and I will be giving you some more information again on the lilacs and the different shrubs that are wonderful to grow in Maine and in Zone 5 gardens. Again, thanks for joining me, and I will see you again next time.